Every day on the job site, you give it all you got. Doing your job with power, precision, and heart. No matter how tough the task, you never back down. And neither should your tools. That's why we took our Nuron batteries to the next level. With faster charging, more power, and longer runtime. Delivering the unmatched heavy-duty performance of Hilti on a single platform. Making it more powerful than ever before. Because if it's heavy-duty, it better be Hilti. Corded, gas, and now cordless. Are you ready to break through? Power up with Nuron Heavy-Duty tools.